Hello students, we are going to do an activity. I'm going to guide you through what we're going to be learning about plate tectonics. At the end of this video, you will have something similar to mine. You'll have these puzzle pieces of the plate tectonics glued together with a key regarding the different types of plate boundaries and what happens at these plate boundaries. Okay? So this is what it's going to look like at the end when you finish this video. Again, this is about plate tectonics. So, before we get started, we need to make sure we have all the right materials. You need to have glue. It can be this glue or a glue stick. Okay? You're going to need scissors. You're going to need a pencil. I have my mechanical pencil, but you're going to need a pencil. I have a dark colored marker. And then I have colored pencils. Okay? You're going to want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colored pencils. Pink, yellow, orange, purple, brown, blue, green, and red. Okay. Also, you're going to need to have a colored piece of paper. This one happens to be blue, but whatever your color the teacher gives you is what you'll have. And then, of course, we need our handout that looks just like this. Okay? At any time, you can pause the video. If you need to go grab all your materials, then go ahead and grab your materials. Pause the video and go grab the materials. When you come back, we will get started. So have your handout in front of you and all the other items on the side of you. Okay. First we have what looks like puzzle pieces. And it looks like the earth, right? Okay. Let's look a little bit closer. I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer. So you see these dark lines. These are the outlines of these plates. We call them tectonic plates. Our planet is made of tectonic plates. They're like puzzle pieces. They kind of fit together, but they also move. Now, what I'd like you to look at is underneath the plate, you see this very faint outline. Right? Look at that. What could that be, this faint outline? This is North America. It's a continent. This is North America, a continent. So what I want you to do is take your pencil, and I want you to use your pencil to outline all of the continents. This is North America continent. South America continent. Can you see it? Yes. Antarctica is down here. That's another continent. And you hopefully know all 7 of them. Then over here is Africa. Africa is a continent right here. Then we have Europe. Then we have Asia. This is all of Asia, this larger portion. And then we have Australia. So you should notice that the continents are part of the crust of Earth. And they're on top of these plates. Okay? So, take your pencil, and I want you to outline all of these faint lines like this. So you're just going to take your pencil and you're going to outline all of these little feints. Guess what? Right here is San Diego. Woohoo! And all of this like this. So you're going to do that to all of the continents. Okay? Just like that. All of them. So any faint line, I want you to outline it with your pencil. Just like this. All the way around. There's a little island there too. There's a little island here. Now I'm going to go down to South America. Okay, I'm going to pause my video and I'm going to continue doing this. You are going to pause your video and you're going to finish outlining all of the faint lines. You're going to outline all of them with your pencil. So I'm going to pause mine, but I want you to continue doing yours. When I come back, you'll see mine is finished. Okay, so I finished outlining all those really faint lines with my pencil. And now I can see all the land masses. All of this is land mass. This is North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. In between the land masses is our oceans, right? If this is South America and this is Africa, you know that the Atlantic Ocean is in between there. So our oceans are on top of the oceanic crust, and our continents are on a continental crust. So this crust is lying on top of all these different plates. And these plates move. So if the plates move, does that mean San Diego is moving with it? Yes, it does. Okay. Now what I need you to do is get ready with your colored pencils. You're going to take blue first. So grab your blue one. If you need to pause, you can pause. And what you're going to do with your blue colored pencil is we're going to look at that Pacific plate. We're going to circle Pacific plate. The Pacific plate boundaries are this really thick black one. This is the Pacific plate. Go ahead and color in the Pacific plate. I'm going to pause mine, you pause yours, and you color yours. Okay, so I finished coloring in the Pacific plate. I colored in the boundaries. It's a pretty large plate. It includes the Pacific Ocean and parts of North America, like Washington, Oregon, California, Mexico. Now what I need you to do is look on the other side. Oh, look, there's the Pacific plate too. Remember, this is a flat map. So if we were to actually put it together, it would look something like this, right? They would come together. So what I want you to do is take your blue color pencil again and color in this Pacific plate blue as well. I'm going to pause my video to finish my coloring. You should do the same. Okay, I finished coloring my Pacific plate blue. Now let's go back over here. Now we're going to take our pink color pencil and we're going to color in a different plate. the Nazca plate. I'm going to circle it, and I see the outline of it. The Nazca plate includes a little bit of Mexico and some of South America, and of course some of the Pacific Ocean as well. So let's go ahead and color it. I'm going to pause my video. Okay, I finished. Notice I didn't color in the names just because I want to be able to read it. Now I'm going to take my green colored pencil and I'm going to circle the North American plate. The North American plate covers a lot of North America. United States, Canada, Iceland, this is Iceland, excuse me, Greenland, and the Atlantic Ocean. So now I'm going to color in this plate. I'm going to pause my video and do that. Okay, I finished coloring the North American plate green. Now I'm going to take my purple and I'm going to circle South American plate, and I'm going to color in the South American plate. This South American plate covers, is underneath the most of South America and Atlantic Ocean. I'm going to pause my video to color it. Okay, I finished coloring South America plate. Now I'm going to go down here to the Antarctic plate, and I'm going to use my orange color. Antarctic plate covers the continent of Antarctica, some of the Pacific plate, or excuse me, Pacific Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. So I'm going to color in all of this orange. I'm going to pause my video to do that. Okay, I finished coloring Antarctica, which I forgot to circle Antarctica. Now I'm going to take my brown color and circle the African plate. That one covers most of Africa, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. So now I'm going to pause and I'm going to color in this plate. So I finished coloring the African plate. Now I'm going to get my red color and I'm going to color Eurasian plate, which is, we see Europe and a lot of Asia here and Atlantic Ocean. So I'm going to pause my video and color that plate. Okay, I finished coloring Eurasian plate, but I remembered to circle Eurasian plate. Did you remember? Alright, the last plate we're going to color, we're going to use yellow, Indo-Australian plate. This one you can see there's the continent of Australia. We have India down here, India Ocean. So go ahead and color this plate yellow. I'm going to pause my video to do the same. Okay, I have now finished coloring all. I'm going to circle this because I forgot to do that again. I've colored all of my major plates. Now we have Pacific plate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plates. These are the major plates. There's actually some smaller ones, but they're not shown on this map, and that's okay. It's just for us to start to understand that our planet has these tectonic plates. So this is the end of this video. You will move on to the next video, and I'm going to tell you the next instructions for this handout.